right, would like to invite you on Sunday here in the arena. You know why? Because it's FEU going up against Lyceum at 2, followed by this exciting match. 4 p.m. San Sebastian going up against Ateneo. That's on Sunday. Miyaka Lim has another update. Miyaka?
Yes, guys. Sabi nga nito ni Coach Mike Rafael sa akin before the game na malaki nga daw ang naitulong nitong Shakey's V-League para sa team niya, not only for the team actually, but also for the school. Sabi niya na madami nga daw ang mas naging aware about their school, but what's most important for them is yung confidence ng girls niya are at an all-time high. You know, skills-wise, sabi nila dahil daw mataas ang level of competition here in the V-League, syempre na-adjust nila yung sarili nila to cope with this kind of play and na lalagay nila dun sa NCAA stint nila, which is a good thing for them. And actually, yung mga girls yung sabi niya, actually, sobrang shy daw nito dati. And ngayon daw, pagsali daw nila dito since they are more confident and nagiging all-out na daw, which is good for them. So sabi niya, sana daw ma-apply lang daw nila to in the next NCAA stint and hopefully mag-champion na daw sila, guys.
Thank you, Miyaka. Well, of course, being exposed to this kind of competition, to this level of play, will do really great things for any team.
That's why you have the Shakey's V-League.
Exactly.
That's what the Shakey's V-League does for the many teams in the different tournaments in the country.
And you know what, Mozi? Ako yung una ko dito, mahihain ako eh.
Parang hindi ko kinaya masyado.
Ngayon, medyo nawawala ni shyness ko.
Ayan, gusto ko ng dagungan dyan ni Paris.
8-5 CSV now. The lead cut down to 3. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it has got to be Shakey's.
Paano ka mayay? Inubos mo nga lahat ng pizza dito eh.
Kaya nga ngayon, all out na rin ako eh. Sabi nga ni Miyaka, di ba? Yung perpetual.
All out pa na yan.
All
And,
out.
you know, maganda rin eh. That's why we appreciate how Perpetual plays here. And, kaya dati rin, di ba, we don't, hindi naman pioneer team ito Perpetual. But when they came in, they also gave out their
That's right.
brand of play.
Yeah. Lalo na ngayon.
Shared with us their brand of play.
Season
And they really got better.
8. Oo naman, yeah. Individually and as a team, yeah, I would say a big improvement.
And a rotational error coming from Perpetual.
Well, I think it's the setter who had an error.
Oh, yes.
Too soon.
Wala pa sa ere yung ball.
Exactly. Hindi pa, no contact yet with the ball from the server. And remember, you have to wait for that contact to happen before you can move to your position.
Oh, Tubino nailing that running hit.
Wow, Tubino. Well, that running spike we know she could do, but to hit it with that kind of an angle, exciting to watch. Yeah, almost hitting Araneta.
Nice snapping of the wrist.
On the face, yeah. Good serve. And again, the Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. More intense rallies, more thrills, the Mikasa MVA 300.
Parang ginaya yan doon sa favorite sport mo rin na isa pa, parang golf, di ba?
Oh.
Yung may dimple
Yes,
na siya.
that's right.
For the drag.
That's right. Medyo ninervous ako doon sa sinabi mong
Favorite
sport.
sport.
Kakit ako, teka.
Hindi kita ibubuko, huwag kang mag-alala.
But yeah, exactly. The texture of the ball has really evolved, Mozi. Remember,
Yung
before...
technology kasi,
even that. Even those small details.
hindi naman just because they want to change the panels of the ball. No, it has something to do with technology.
That's right. And for these players right now, of course, I remember, Mozi, that there was a season. No. There was a season before when we introduced this new pattern in the ball. And all the players complained that nakakahilo, hindi nila ma-judge. Yung pag tinitignan nila, parang nahihilo sila. But now we're all used to it. So it was just a matter of time before we got used to it. And now we are definitely hearing good reviews from everybody regarding this new Mikasa
It's
ball.
just a matter of getting used to. May hypnotism bang nangyayari?
Sabi, di ba? Sabi naman, hindi nila ma-judge kung padating na yung bola, palayo yung bola. And,
now they're well adjusted and just loving the way this ball reacts to their spike,
exactly.
to their digs.
And Perpetual has really made a comeback here in set number 3 after being down by 6 points. Now the lead cut down to only a single point.
And that was a quick return by Perpetual. Well, Aguero with 17 sets so far, De Luna with 18.
And I'd like to make credit or to give credit to Coach Mike Rafael with that change in the setter. Now Argarin is the one setting, and that was when that turnaround happened.
The quick adjustment
Oo.
on the side of Perpetual. And quick results from that
There you go.
adjustment.
And Argarin has really shown that she can step up whenever called in. And now it is Coach Telmo Barinas with a timeout. Let's see.
So kung magkali tayo, hindi, babangunin niyo yung sarili niyo, 6 points ang ginawa niya. So ngayon, kailangan niyo, angat niyo yung sarili niyo ng 6 points. Kaya nawala. So angat niyo yung sarili niyo dahil kailangan niyo dadaan ng hirap. Kailangan niyo hindi niyo i-entertain yung discouragement. Pag in-entertain niyo, wala na! Tara na! Broadside na yun.
Well, again, it's about the mental
Mm.
toughness that this Coach Telma is giving a solution to.
Yeah.
But still, Perpetual now up by 1 after trailing by about
6 points.
6 points.
7-1.
But so far, the leading scorers of Perpetual, Diaz with 8 and the Los Santos with the same number. Santin with 7, Topino with 6. On the other side, it's Araneta with 7, Fajardo with 9, Yumang with 8, Lauren with 5. So, actually, parehong teams with total
Balanced.
team effort.
Balanced yung production.
Maganda naman yung distribution of points.
Majero sets it up. That is not over. Oh, that is good, says our first referee.
So sure about that. It happened in front of him, but Topino now, no touch. And quick hit, scores 1 for Perpetual as we see it once
And
again.
Tubino, this is actually the first game, right, of Tubino with the squad. As also one of their guest players is again not yet
I think Manzano.
Manzano. I'm sorry, Manzano not available for this match, but definitely in the next match he'll be here because he's in another tournament at the moment.
But look at this attack, this block
Block.
by De Los Santos, single-handedly getting that point off the block.
And what I like about that block of De Los Santos, she was never tense. You know, she was just waiting. And when the proper time came, she just went up and put her long arms all over that ball. And that was the end of it.
Oh, and again, De Los Santos this time on the attack gets another point. So offense and defense.
Yeah. An all-around player. Definitely a big improvement for this young player for Perpetual.
And you look at her, she's your typical volleyball player.
Mhm.
Long arms, lean.
Very quick. Ajero sets it up to Optana down the line, but that to win is right there.
You know, Michelle Datuit has been digging it for Perpetual. Ang gaganda ng mga digs
Digs
ni
niya.
Michelle.
Tapat na tapat
This is
eh.
what you want from her. She's a silent operator on the side of Perpetual.
Tubino with a serve. This one is good. Glona picks it up. Ooh, another solid block. See, she was just waiting.
enjoying. Yeah,
She was
knew.
waiting. Yeah, she was just, waiting for that right time. And when that ball came,